Hey there, food lovers. Get ready to dive into a culinary fiesta right in the heart of Tribeca, New York City. I'm talking about TAQ, a taqueria that's taken tacos and cocktails to a whole new level. This ain't your average taco joint, folks. TAQ is where creativity meets tradition, and the result is an explosion of flavor that'll leave your taste buds begging for more. Ready to take a ride on the flavor train? Buckle up. We're about to explore what makes TAQ a true gem in the Big Apple's culinary scene. From their mouthwatering tacos to their handcrafted cocktails and commitment to the community, TAQ is a must-visit destination for anyone who appreciates good food, good drinks, and good times. TAQ's story is all about passion, folks, pure and simple. The founders were on a mission to create a spot that captured the vibrant spirit of Mexican cuisine while giving it a unique New York City edge. They wanted to elevate the taco game, and let me tell you, they hit the mark. TAQ Tribeca. Location is just one stop on their flavor journey. They've got spots popping up in other cities too, spreading the taco love far and wide. But no matter where you find them, the commitment to quality and creativity shines through. These folks are serious about their ingredients, using only the freshest, most flavorful stuff they can get their hands on. Walk into TAQ and you're greeted by a wave of energy that's contagious. The atmosphere is lively and inviting, with a cool urban vibe that just screams good times. The decor is modern and sleek, with pops of color that reflect the vibrancy of the food.
But it's not just about the looks, folks. TAQ's got substance to back it up. The staff is as friendly as can be, always ready with a smile and a recommendation.
And the food? Let's just say you're in for a real treat. From their signature tacos, like the al pastor with its marinated pork and pineapple salsa, to the Baja fish tacos with their crispy beer-battered fish, every dish is a flavor explosion.
Section 4. Raving reviews. What people are saying about TAQ. Don't just take my word for it, folks. People can't stop talking about TAQ.
The tacos here are out of this world.
Raves one customer.
I dream about their al pastor tacos.
She goes on, and the compliments don't stop at the food.
The staff is amazing, always so friendly and helpful.
The customer continues.
This place has become my go-to spot for a fun night out with friends.
TAQ's menu is full of must-try items. Their guacamole, made fresh to order, is a crowd pleaser. And their cocktails, don't even get me started. They're mixing up some seriously creative concoctions that'll have you saying, "Another round, please." Section 5. TAQ loves Tribeca. Community is key. TAQ is not just about serving up delicious food and drinks, they're also all about giving back to the community.
They're actively involved in local events and partner with neighborhood organizations to make Tribeca a better place.
This commitment to community is a big part of what makes TAQ so special. They're not just a business, they're a part of the fabric of Tribeca, and that shines through in everything they do. Section 6. Get your taco fix at TAQ. Well, folks, there you have it. TAQ is more than just a taqueria, it's an experience. From the moment you step through the door, you're greeted with warm hospitality, mouth-watering aromas, and a vibe that's impossible to resist. So, whether you're a local, looking for your new go-to spot, or a visitor searching for an authentic taste of Tribeca, be sure to put TAQ on your list. You can find them online at taqnewyork.com or follow them on Instagram at taqnewyork to stay up to date on all the latest happenings. And hey, while you're at it, spread the taco love, share this video with your friends and family, and let's support this awesome local business. Happy eatin'!